Our topic for today is all about Linux. So, this Linux ba? Linux is actually just a kernel, hindi siya yung operating system. Going to look sa kernel, Google here, see it, tap tayo, ayan, daling explanation. So you have the application, the kernel. The kernel is in between the CPU, memory, and the devices. So, a mediator in between the hardware going to your application. But not necessarily the operating systems, because the operating system is also an application. So under above the kernel, somewhere in between here, you have the operating systems. So Linux, no, yan. We have here the yeah. We have here the shell, the grep, the wc, cpp. If you could observe that. Now let's look at the different OS of Linux, the different types. Sa operating system, marami yan eh. Linux, operating. Now you have the Red Hat, we have the Kali, we have the Ubuntu, Debian base. Okay. CentOS, we also have the Parrot. We have here, familiar dun sa iba. This one is Ubuntu. Okay. Also the Kali there. So marami. It's an open source. Let's see. Meron. Ayun, Fedora. We have also the Arc. Ubuntu, Lubuntu, Mandifa, Subuntu, Zorin. Yeah, dami. So, ginagamit ko dito is the Ubuntu, and I also Kali. So, yun. So, basically, we're going to teach you, I'm going to discuss the file folders, if you could here. Currently, I am on the desktop. And I'm just going to open a terminal. Actually, this is terminal emulator. Terminal itself. Then, first command I'm going to teach you is who am I? So the user is Ken, that is me. So I hope you can see it here. Natin ng konti. Natin medyo mas malaki. Who am I? No space. So the user is Ken. Next thing is to see kung nasang working environment tayo. If you could observe here, hindi mo makita dito sa may terminal kung nasan ka. But I'm going to alt tab here. If you could observe under root folder, we have the desktop, home, and so on and so forth. But here, hindi mo ma-identify agad-agad kung nasan ka. So, new command would be print working directory or PWD. There you are. I am currently here in /home/ken, that is /home and /ken. Yeah, this is the user Ken pala. Sorry, nakapasok na siya. So, if I'm going to make an LS list, we have here yung mga yan, Bean, gets GNS3, music pictures, PyCharm projects, so pictures, PyCharm projects, videos, templates, VMware. So, halimbawa, gusto natin pumunta dun sa may desktop para makita natin itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files. So, all I have to do is ls. I'm going to go here. So, sorry. ls desktop is viewing the files under the desktop. So what I'm going to do is change directory, desktop. Okay. Yan na tayo. Here lang natin. So ls tayo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung 5 na yun. Ganun lang siya kadali. Kung natin sa pagbabrowse. Another one would be using the CD. So, CD, dot, balik na tayo. Okay? Balik ulit tayo sa CD desktop. CD desktop. Let's check the print working directory. So, nasa home can desktop tayo. So, PWD is really good command in terms of knowing where you are. Kasi you could observe from here, can NV lang nandito. Then you have the desktop and you really don't know where you are. So, yun nakakahilo ng konti. Titignan mo pa dyan. PW is really good thing. So, CD dot tayo. CD dot ulit. Labas tayo. We're already in the home. CD dot labas tayo. We're on the backslash. So, if you could see PWD, nasa backslash. CD dot ulit. Nakadulo na. Let's go with the LS. Andito sila lahat. So, these are the files under the root itself. CD root. Bash CD. Sudo ls. Password. I'll be explaining the sudo later on. We have this. Okay, snap lang nakalagay doon sa may root na. So, let's go. For example, balik tayo dun sa home, cd home. Then ls. Under Ken. So, cd Ken. Ang yung user natin, ls. Under Ken, you have the following as cd desktop. So napansin niyo para bumalik tayo dun sa may PWD na home can desktop. What if gusto nating bumalik dun sa may root folder kagad? Pinaka isa. So there's also a shortcut cd / and doon na kagad lang siya. PWD natin. Okay. So ganun lang po kadali yung natin. Yung browsing natin dito.